Hi, let's talk on diabetes and herbs today. The greatest myth is herbs and Ayurvedic medicines can completely reverse type 2 diabetes. But the fact is, type 2 diabetes is a lifelong progressive health condition. There is no significantly proven permanent cure for type 2 diabetes. Herbal medicines shows good short-term result but no long-term proof. Major diabetic associations do not recommend stopping diabetes medicines for herbs. Diabetes can be controlled very well in some people with herbs and Ayurvedic treatment, but with intensive lifestyle changes, meaning you have to follow very strict lifestyle and you have to significantly lose your weight if you are overweight. Few herbs like bitter gourd, fenugreek, cinnamon, and Jamun seeds have significantly reduced the blood sugar levels back to normal for some days, but not permanently. Studies have shown that raw herbal powders, liquids, raw powders will upset your stomach lining and overload your kidneys and livers in long term usage. And if you are overweight, it worsens your insulin resistance, meaning the management of diabetes will be difficult. One more common myth is Ayurvedic products and herbs suits for all. But check for these things before choosing these products. Your age matters, your body weight matters, your HbA1c level matters, your lifestyle matters, meaning day-to-day life activity matters, and your personal habits matters. If you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more health tips.